If you hate washing dishes, this video is for you. Make the perfect omelet in a Ziploc bag filled with gooey cheese and crispy bacon. The results look delicious, so I'm going to try it. I'm cracking 2 eggs in a Ziploc bag, scrambling them with my hands, and adding shredded cheese, bacon, and seasoning to make it more tasty. Mix them up real good, close it, and drop it in the hot water and wait for it to cook. Time for the results. Wow! Can't wait to eat it. This is how you make a UV light at home, to check if your bathroom is cleaned properly. But does it really work? Let's find out. Put some clear tape on the flash of your phone and color it with a blue marker. Add a second layer of tape and color it with a red marker this time. Turn it on and... It was fake. Use a magnet to keep nails in place. This looks too good to be true. Let's find out if it really works. Attach the magnet to your screwdriver and put your nail in. Wow, it's holding it straight. Now let's put it to the final test and see if the internet lied to us. It definitely works.
Exposing viral life hacks you have seen on the internet. If you want to take the last bit of sauce out, but it's stuck to the walls of the bottle, just put it in a bag and give it a nice long spin. Spin, spin, and spin again. Take it out and voila! This hack definitely works. Would you try it?
If you drop an egg into water, it should sink to the bottom like this. If it floats to the top, it likely went bad. Let's put this hack to the test and see if it really works. It's floating! I'm gonna crack it open now to see if it's a bad one. It looks okay. Let's smell it. Ew, it stinks! The hack works though. Life hacks I didn't think actually worked until I tried them myself. Well, now I want to try it too, ha 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 ha. Let's finally decide if it works well or not. Us pizza lovers need to find the right way to reheat it to perfection. Lid off, and it already looks mouth-watering. Take a closer look, it's looking promising. Moment of truth and... Woohoo! It was worth it.
Mind-blowing life hack. Instant popcorn with raw corn. Let's test it. Put a corn on a cob in your microwave and wait for a few minutes until it starts to make popcorn. Did it pop? It's taking way longer than I thought. Time to take it out. I'm so hungry, I really hope it worked. It looks boiled. I guess the internet lied to us.
How to split pills in half. It looks super easy. Let's test it out, and it works. I give it a big thumbs up.